Let's talk about using the inspector in Hypatia. The inspector is used to navigate within the document structure and edit the properties of the document elements. The inspector can be opened from the top right. Selecting inspector opens the inspector from the right side of the window. The inspector can be used to modify document properties and properties of text similar to what you'd expect from Word or other word processors. So for example, let's give our title an underline. So we can highlight the title and from the inspector choose an underline. As you can see, now the underline is outlined in blue. Now the top part of the inspector is used to show text properties. The bottom part is used as an object navigator. Now to explain what this means, we can go ahead and click into the math. Now we see that the object navigator has changed. Here it shows a fraction, and this fraction is inside some sort of math environment. This math environment is inside item A. This is inside a list that is inside item 1 of another list. And so by clicking one of these, for example, this list, we can choose and set properties of that outermost list. So for example, we can change the bullets, and that's reflected in the document. Okay, so now let's, for example, change the fraction in our math, the first fraction on the left-hand side. So we can click into our math, and we've clicked into the sum, which is reflected in the object navigator. So we see a sum, and this sum is inside a fraction, and this is what we want to change. So we can click on the fraction in the object navigator and head down to replace object. There we can replace this fraction with a binomial. And as we can see, that's reflected in our math. So any object in your document can be modified in a similar way using the inspector.